In this video, you will learn how to fix Instagram blend feature not showing problem. Update your Instagram app. Go to the device app store and make sure Instagram is updated to the latest version. Clear the app cache or reinstall. For Android, clear the app's cache from settings. Settings, app, Instagram. For iOS, uninstall and reinstall the app to refresh data. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as poor connectivity can prevent certain features from loading. Log out, then log back in. Log out of your Instagram account. Close the app, then log back in to refresh your account settings. Switch account or devices. Try accessing the blender features from another Instagram account or device to check if it's account specific. Contact Instagram support. If the feature still does not appear, report the issue through Instagram's help center for further assistance from Instagram. Now you know how to fix Instagram blend feature not showing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.